Hello everyone, dear students. Today we are going to start a very important topic, that is subject verb agreement. Dear students, first we will discuss about what is subject verb agreement. Dear students, subject verb agreement means according to subject we will use verb. If there is singular subject, then we use singular verb, and if the subject is plural, then we will use plural verb. Okay students, dear students, in this chapter we learn about simple subject and complete subject. Next, the rules of subject agreement. Okay, dear students, in order to speak or write sentences correctly, we must make sure that the right form of the verb is used to suit the subject. It means which verb we are going to use in the sentence, that should be used according to subject. Okay, both the subject and the verb must be either singular or both must be plural. When this is true, we say that the subject is in agreement with the verb. Okay, it is the agreement of subject and verb. We also call this subject verb agreement or subject verb concord, the another name of it. Let us look at some of the rules that we need to apply for subject verb agreement. Dear students, first rule is, the most important rule of subject verb agreement is that the verb must agree with the subject in person and number. In person and number means according to subject we will use verb. A verb can change depending on whether the subject is in the first person, second person or third person. Dear students, it depending on whether the subject is singular or plural. If the subject singular form like I, then we use singular verb eat. If the subject is plural we, then we use plural verb are. Okay, with the second person we will use plural verb. Third person he, she, it, we will use singular verb eats. And the third person there is plural word they, we will use plural helping verb. Dear students, keep it in mind always that subject depend on verb and verb depend on subject. Okay, so dear students, we use verb according to subject. In the grammar point, the subject of a sentence may be single word that tells us who or what is doing the action. This is called the simple subject. Like that, Mumbai is a big city. In this sentence, Mumbai is subject and we are using singular verb with that is. Okay. Next, thus, if the subject is singular and in the first person, the verb must also be of singular number and the first person. Okay, like that, I subject is first person. First person is I or we. Okay, first person always speaker. With the first person we use plural verb I. I play chess. I am in Denmark. Am helping verb we will use with I subject. Have, we use it in perfect tense. Have helping verb with the I subject. Okay, I have a computer. If the subject is singular and in the third person, the verb must also be singular number and the third person. Like that, Rani plays chess. In this sentence, Rani is subject and this is singular form. We will use singular verb plays. If there is verb first form plus s or es, it means the verb is singular. Okay. He is in Denmark. Is helping verb is singular. She has a computer. Has is singular helping verb with the subject she. In these sentences, Rani, he and she are singular subjects and we are using with them singular helping verbs or main verbs like plays, is or has. Clear, students? Next, if the subject is plural and in the third person, the verb must also be of plural number and the third person. Like that, in this sentence, the subject they is third person, okay, and it is plural. So we are using play verb in this sentence, that is plural, play. Dear students, I have already told you that if there is no s or es in the verb, it means the verb is in plural condition, and if there is s or es in the verb, it means the verb is in singular form. In these sentence, we are using they subject and they subject is in plural condition, so we will use plural helping verb or main verb in the sentence. Like they are, they have. Are and have are plural helping verbs. Okay. Dear students, rule number second. When the subject of a sentence is composed of two or more singular nouns or pronouns connected by and, we use a plural verb. Okay, if the two subjects connect with and word, then we use plural verb in the sentence. Raja and his friend. In this sentence, both two subjects are different, so we will use plural verb in the sentence. Okay. Venus and Mercury are parts of the solar system, so these are different two words, Venus and Mercury. These are different planets. It means there are plural planets we are using in the sentence, so we will use plural helping verb in the sentence. Okay, students. Rule number third, that is very important rule. However, if the two singular nouns refer to the same person or thing or to a single idea, we use the singular verb. Bread and milk is the only food we can eat. Here the word bread and milk use for a single thing, so we are using is helping verb, that is singular helping verb. Okay. Next example, dear students, very important example. The activist and patriot is on a hunger strike. The activist and patriot, there are not two different person, these are showing a single person, so we are using is helping verb after it. Then how can we identify that is singular or plural? So dear students, we keep in mind that note that in such cases the article is used only once before the first noun or pronoun. If we wish to refer to two separate people, we would use the article before each noun and the verb would be plural. Okay. If there are two different articles before two different subjects, then we use plural helping verb, and if there is only one article before first noun, there is not another article before second noun, we do not use plural verb. In that condition we will use singular verb. Rice and curry is my favorite of all time. It is showing a single idea. Okay, the rice and the curry, here two different things, and we are using two different articles before these two words, so we will use are, that is plural verb. So dear students, keep in mind that the third rule is very important rule, and this is very important rule, so we should keep it in mind. Clear?